Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to set up AWS CLI in case if you have enabled multi-factor authentication in your account. In this case, we need to get temporary access key, secret key, and session tokens from Amazon's Security Token Services, in short STS. And command is AWS STS get session tokens, and here we need to provide two arguments. One is serial number, where we need to provide ARN of your MFA device, and second argument is token code. So generate the token code in your MFA device and pass it over here. Once you will execute this command, you will get temporary access key, secret key, and session tokens. Once we have these three values, then we can call AWS configure, and let's call the profile name as dummy MFA. Enter. We can pass the temporary access key here, then pass the temporary secret key and default region and default output format. Wait a second, this command didn't ask anything about session token. So we need to add the session token ID directly into configuration files. And for that, go inside .aws folder, which will be available inside your user profile for Windows machines. And for Linux and Mac, I have given the details in the description. So if we'll open the credential file, we have used the AWS config command and pass these two values, that is access key and secret key. So those value will be available here. For session token, we need to add one new parameter, that is AWS session token, and its corresponding value over here. Now, if you wanted to create a new profile, you can do it by directly editing this file. Let's say I wanted to create one new profile. So let's copy all these and I'll paste it over here, and let's call this new profile as dummy profile. Okay, I'll save it, and here I can pass its corresponding values. Let's say access key is ABC, secret key is ABCD, and I have a session token that is ABC. All right. For this profile, if I wanted to pass some configurations, so you go to config file, and the format over here is little bit different. Copy this one, paste it over here. So profile and the profile name. So this is profile is dummy, and we can pass region and output format over here. So this way also we can create a new profile by editing this file directly. Thanks for watching.